Alright guys, I'm going to be a cold start of my Craftsman 6.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton lawnmower. I found out what's wrong with it. Was not a bent crank. Well, it still makes that noise. I still don't know why, but the blade was a little bent, so we fixed that. See, it still makes that noise, so I had no idea. But the lawnmower still cuts, so who cares, really? It's like a 6 or 7 year old lawnmower. Alright, so we're gonna give it a little pumpage. Hasn't been started in about 3 weeks. I don't know if there's any gas. It's dry like usual. Hold on, let me get some gas. Okay, now I have some gas, so let's see if it starts. Clicking noise. There's a cold start, and see you guys later. Bye.